I want to share some of the amazing testimonials that we've received in the last few months. As the founder of the virtual EMDR program, I get emails, direct messages, and social media comments from our clients all the time. And it really means everything to us that our EMDR eye movement therapy program is able to help so many of you work through your PTSD and trauma or anxiety and depression symptoms. I've hidden some of the details of each testimonial to keep the client's identity and aspects of their personal situation private. First, an email from Winston. He says, "I honestly couldn't be happier. My first 2 or 3 sessions were incredible, and I still feel more at peace and am getting better sleep than I have in years. The closest thing to real-life magic I have ever seen." Sarah contacted me and said, "On one hand, it feels like magic. On the other hand, you've been able to tap into the natural ability of the body and brain to heal itself. A genuine thank you from the bottom of my heart for this relief that I dared not dream of a week ago." And Dina, a therapist who uses traditional talk therapy and also in-person EMDR with her clients, said, "Wow, I am impressed with this so much. It is thorough, complete, provides excellent education and instruction, tools and resources. Thank you for offering this incredible healing modality to the world and sharing it with me." This next comment comes from YouTuber Guard Your Heart on a video we did. It says, "I've tried the program and it works. Even after the first session, I already noticed a difference. Your dedication and effort does not go unnoticed, and I truly believe it is helping more people than you realize." And last, I will share a comment from Valerie, who reached out to us on Facebook. Regarding virtual EMDR, she said, "Healing yourself and reprogramming your mind is possible. If you've been on the fence, get off and try it." Thank you to each one of you for sharing your positive experience with using virtual EMDR. The virtual EMDR program is a self-guided eye movement therapy program that anyone can use at home and at your own pace without needing a therapist to be present. We can help you too. Join thousands of happy virtual EMDR clients by signing up for a free 3-day trial at www.virtualemdr.com.